Welcome to our channel. When you are going to board exam, first before we need blueprint for maths. Chapter wise, which type of questions they are given, 1 mark questions, 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions, how they are giving. Just we should prepare chapter wise questions, 1 mark, 2 marks, 4 marks. Just analyze first. 10th class TS board examinations, mathematics, special concepts. Chapter real numbers, 1 mark, 2 marks questions from previous. Finding the values of logarithms, LCM, HCF, two methods. Show that composite number, terminating, non-terminating, recurring decimals. 1 mark questions from real numbers. Log 128 base root 2. Find the value of log 128 base root 2. Given logarithm term, let us take log 128 base root 2 is equal to some x. Now this is logarithmic form. Write in exponential form. Root 2 power x is equal to 128. Okay, root 2, that is write as 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole power x is equal to 128. You can write 2 into 2 into LCM, then you will get 2 to the power of 7. Here it is write as 2 power x by 2 is equal to 2 power 7. Here 2 power 1 by 2 into x by 2. Okay, now x by 2 is equal to 7. A power x is equal to a power m. So this 2, a power m is equal to a power m is equal to n. So okay, x is equal to 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. Same model, these are all 1 mark previous papers, 1 mark questions. Okay, for example, log 81 base 3. Next question, log 81 to the base 3 is a rational number or irrational number. They are asking is a rational or irrational. Let us take some x. So now it is right exponential form. 3 power x is equal to 81. 3 power x. 81 is right as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 to the power of 4. Now x is equal to 4. This is the value of log 81. And more few questions are there. Is a rational number. Is a rational. Is it rational or irrational? They are asking question. Next, log 256 base root 2 is equal to some x. Okay, find the value. Similar question. Already we said no. Same similar question only. Next, log 125 base 5. This is also. Let us take some x. 5 power x is equal to 125. Now 5 power x is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. 5 cube. So x is equal to 3. This is one of the logarithmic question. Next, here in logarithmic some 2 marks questions are there. Here 1 mark question and 2 marks questions also they should give. And one question is given log 1 mark question log x to the base 10 is equal to 0. If log x to the base 10 is equal to 0, value of x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then log 0 to the base 10 is equal to 0. Do you agree with this condition or not for x is equal to 0? Do you agree or not? You have to check it. So okay, here it is logarithmic form. When you write exponential form, 10 to the power of 0 is equal to x. Anything power 0 value is 1. So what you got x value? So here x is equal to 1 got, but x naught is equal to 0. Here x value is 1. So we are not agree with that condition. Log x to the base 10 is equal to 0 for x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0 or not, check it. So first given logarithmic, write in exponential form. 10 power 0 is equal to x. 10 power 0 value 1. So x is equal to 1, but x not equal to 0. Next, here write any two 3-digit numbers. Write any two 3-digit numbers and find LCM and HCF. write any two 3-digit numbers. Write any two 3-digit numbers. Write any two 3 digits and find LCM and HCD. Find LCM and HCF or GCD. Okay, write any two 3-digit numbers. Better you can take your own any two numbers you can take. I am taking that 100 and 200. Find LCM and HCF. So for suppose 100, how you can write prime factorization? Let us take LCM. 2 into 50, 2 into 25, 5 5s are. So it is write as 2 square into 5 square. Similarly 200, that is also write as 2 cube into 5 square. So what is the HCF or GCD? Common prime number with their least powers. 2 square, 5 square. You will get 100. LCM. All the prime numbers with their greatest powers. So this is 200 got. So LCM and HCF are two 3-digit numbers. Not only that, write any 3 2-digit numbers. Write any 3 2-digit numbers and find their LCM and GCD. Same similar question. So by our convenience 10, 20, 30 is better I thought. 2-digit numbers. How many? 3 2-digit numbers. Find LCM and HCF. Same method. We have to follow that. Next here HCF finding by division method. Euclid division lemma method. Two numbers. So find HCF by Euclid division lemma method. For suppose take 24 and 33. Find GCD by division algorithm. So we know that A is equal to B cube plus R. This is division algorithm. So here big number A is equal to 33, B is equal to 24. Now 33 divided by 24. 1s are 24. Here 13 minus 4. 9. Here 24. 9 2s are 18. Here 9 3s are 27 is not possible. So 14 minus 8. 6. Here 9. 6 1s are 6. Here 3. So here write 6. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 0. So what is HCF? 3. So the step by step you can write. First you can write 33. 24 into 1 plus 9. Next 24 is write as 9 into 2 plus 6. Next 9 write as 6 into 1 plus 3. Next 6 is write as 3 into 2 plus 0. So HCF is 3. So this is Euclid's division lemma to find HCF. Euclid division lemma how to find HCF. 24 and 33. Two numbers are there. The two numbers how to find HCF. So this is the method for 1 mark question. See here question in this product. How many consecutive zeros of existed in this product? How many consecutive zeros are existed in this product? So how to do? Not multiply. It is depend on 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Here what is the greatest 2 and 5? What is the greatest common powers? Powers are exponents. 2 and 5. Two numbers are there. No? These two prime numbers. What is the greatest highest exponent? 2 square, 5 square. So 2 5s are 10. 10 square means 100. Two consecutive zeros. It's depend on 2 and 5. What is the common and greatest exponent for the 2 and 5? So that exponent is equal to number of consecutive zeros. Here 2 is the common exponent for 2 and 5. So 2 zeros. If 3 for both common exponent, 3 zeros. So that 2 plus root 3 is an irrational. This is 1 mark question. Let us consider 2 plus root 3 is a rational. So 2 plus root 3 is equal to a by b, where a comma b are co-primes and b not equal to 0. So okay, root 3 is equal to a by b, plus 2 transfer right side, minus 2. Now root 3 is equal to a minus 2b by b. So once observe, root 3 is irrational. A minus 2b, a minus 2b by b is a rational. So root 3 is also rational, but root 3 is an irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Why? Once observe the question. 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. But what would assumption? Let us assume that 2 plus root 3 is a rational. So is equal to a by b, b not equal to 0. Root 3 is equal to a by b minus 2. LCM a minus 2b by b. A minus 2b by b is a rational. So root 3 is also rational, but root 3 is an irrational. Rational is not equal to irrational. Is not equal to irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Finally 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. So this is one of the 1 mark question. Last 5 years they are given that questions. So okay, now 2 marks questions. We will go to next level. 2 marks question. If x square plus y square is equal to 27xy, then show that log x minus y by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. This is the 2 marks question. First, if is nothing but given part. So you can take x square plus y square is equal to 27xy. Okay, what you have to show here, minus is there. That's why add minus 2xy on both sides. Okay, now x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 27xy minus 2xy. Here it is x minus y whole square. This is 25xy. After that, here 25 take this side. X minus y whole square by 25 is equal to xy. So now x minus y by 5. Because 25 is right as 5 square is equal to xy. Apply logarithm on both sides now. So log x minus y by 5 whole square is equal to log xy. Now 2 came front. So 2 log x minus y by 5 is equal to log x plus log y. 2 standard side, final what we need that will get into 2 standard side, 1 by 2 log x plus log y. First starts with what they're given, x square plus y square is equal to 27xy. Add minus 2xy. Why I did show that minus is there? No, that's why I added minus 2xy on both sides. X square plus y square minus 2xy, 27xy minus 2xy. So 25xy, x minus y whole square by 25 and this side. By according to the solution what we require. So x minus y by 5 whole square is equal to xy. Log x minus y by 5 whole square is equal to log xy. On both first 2 came front according to the formula. Beside if you want to write formula, log x to the power of n or m log x. So this is the formula. So we'll get this answer easily. Similarly, we will get so many questions. That model, more one question I want to write here. If x square plus y square is equal to 7xy, they are given one time. If x square plus y square is equal to 10xy, they are given